Hey everybody, you are on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to update Samsung Smart TV web browser. Let's go. Open apps. Settings. Select browser. Check latest version and install it. If an update is required, then first way. Turn on auto update. The browser will update the next time you turn on the TV. Second way, select browser. Reinstall. That's it. Now you know how to update Samsung Smart TV web browser. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.